Good. Wow. Good. That's all. Okay. Good. Nice. You back? Wow.
Just relax.
Oh, yeah. Damn.
Yeah. Did you feel that all the way down?
Yeah.
Woo. Ring dinger.
Yeah, I didn't expect it.
Yeah, that's definitely a ring dinger. Okay, let it go. Kind of reminds me of Anthony's reaction. I got you. No, let me have your head. Wiggle your right big toe. There you go. Okay.
Young adults. Breath in here, all the way out, relax. Good. Very well. You did awesome. Breath in and out, chin up. Good. Okay, that's really going to help. All right. Relax. Good. Good. Right here. Relax. Good.
Holy cow.
That moved awesome.
Breath for me. All the way out. Beautiful. Nice. Good. This side up for me, Angel. You had no soreness, right?
None.
Okay. Cool. Deep breath for me. Good. Perfect. Same thing, other side. So one thing we're also going to do is we're going to work on our neck, and we're going to do the general as well. But we're going to loosen up just a couple of visits in a row first. Deep breath. All the way out. Good. Perfect. Awesome. Let's go face up for me. You ready? Your favorite. Nice. And as you can tell, her ears are turning bright red. That means the blood's going up. That's a good thing. Beautiful.
You're doing good, Mike. Just let your head just come over here. Good.
Wow. Wow. Okay. That is new experience. Okay.
New experience,
Yeah,
huh?
Definitely.
Ready for one more?
Yeah.
Good. This way. Wow, this side is tight. Okay. And try to relax, Mike. Good, nice.
Wow.
Just take our time. Good. Okay, you did great, kiddo.